In a bustling school hallway, a group of students sets up a seemingly innocent cardboard box labeled "Free Hugs." Little do passersby know, it's equipped with a comically exaggerated sneeze sound effect. As curious friends approach, the box suddenly erupts with fake sneezing sounds and confetti. Amid the chaos, sneezing sounds trigger all around, causing onlookers to jump in surprise. As the dust settles, puzzled faces turn to giggles, realizing it was all in good fun. Cheers erupt when the pranksters reveal the secret, ensuring everyone walks away with smiles and a hilarious story to tell.